There are currently 9 AVCS base CDs. However, it is unlikely that users will need to install all of the CDs in order to load their licensed ENCs. Referencing to the Schedule A can avoid the unnecessary loading of some CDs, saving the user time. Start by inserting the AVCS base CD into the appropriate drive. Open the main menu and select Chart Selection. Select Chart Install, followed by Install Charts. Click on Create New and insert an appropriate folder name or select an existing folder. Then select Search for Charts to scan the contents of the whole disk, or alternatively select ENC route and the country code for the charts that are required. Then click Search for Charts. In the Select Charts window, click on the charts that are required. To choose several different charts at once,